Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Notion as a full CRM system. First of all, some may ask, can you set up Notion for CRM system? Because it's not for that. So the short answer is yes, because Notion can work as a full CRM without any external tools. Of course, it will not be as powerful and as dedicated as some CRM softwares like HubSpot, Salesforce, or something like that, but it's fully functional for freelancers, small teams, or even content creators. You just need to set up the right database system. So let's just start by how to set this up. First of all, just go and open Notion. You can go to notion.com in your browser. If you have it downloaded, just go and open it up. And of course, we would like to go and add our page. So go and add a new page for you. Or if you want, you can use even this AI tool. And you can talk or say, I want to set up a full CRM as example. So CRM system in a page. Let's just do so. And as you can see, the AI on Notion will help you do that if you don't want to start from scratch. So as you can see, they will give you the results. So they'll tell you exactly what to do. You can use the Notion database example, stores clients information and structured way and a lot of other stuff. So you can also save it as a page if you want to, try in research mode. You can even ask him an example, can you create that page as example for me to help as example me or something like that. Let's just say, because this AI will help you as an example with a lot of things, including this option. Of course, if you don't want to use AI, it's totally up to you. You can just go, as they say here, create your new page, and of course you can name it CRM or whatever you want. You can go and select a table as the default layout, and on your table you would like to add some crucial information, like it's going to be probably the name, the status, stage, latest contact, email, phone, company, value, notes, and basically the purpose is very important of every one of them. So as an example for us, let's just start by creating our new page. I'm going here to privates. I want to create privates and click in here example. And as we said, I'm going to name it like CRM. Just name it all capital. So here an example, you can go and use this example and add this example a table. You can even add a table view for the database and something like that. It's totally up to you. And of course, you'll be able to add how many columns that you want and how many rows that you want. And as I said, of course, make sure to have here some name. Here an example. You would like to have maybe status example. Here maybe it should be stage. Here an example, maybe last contacts. And as I said before, like email, phone, those are some necessary options to add in your table. And you can also add some views for better tracking. So you can find a lot of view, like a table view, a board view, a gallery view. All of those options are very, very important. Well, you'll be able to link it to a specific page, and you'll be able to just familiarize yourself with this first so you can understand how it works, and then you'll be able to link it to a page and you'll be able to easily see what's on that page. So you can add the view board by stage example and act like a Kanban funnel or something. You can add maybe a calendar view for follow updates. You can create or add a table view or a timeline view for great tracking pipeline or for full data access. So I cannot show you exactly what to add because it's something related to your customization. So I'm just telling you example what to do, and of course feel free to add some stuff, to remove some stuff that you didn't need and something like that. You can also create some related databases. It's optional but it's powerful. Like some companies, you can track organizations and link them to contact. You can create something related to tasks, meeting, and you can add as an example some buttons. You can create also a template if you want to. For new leads, tasks, and you can use buttons to automate common actions like create new follow-up task, move to the next stage. And yeah, and as I said before, one of the powerful things that Notion have at the moment is Notion AI. It will let you, or it will help you generate a new email draft, summarize clients' notes, and etc. And you can even set up some reminders. An example, it is very easy to set up. You can use this example very easy, and yeah, so I guess you can use it by that. So yeah, remind me an example tomorrow to do something. So it's very easy. And you can also use some sync block if working with a team for shared pipeline or something like that. So that should be basically it for me in this video. That's how you basically use Notion CRM or Notion for CRM. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.